What you're looking at took less than 30 minutes, uses one machine, and I haven't seen anyone else do this yet. Pork belly bites cooked entirely in the Tefal Multicook ActiFry. We're starting with 500 grams of pork belly. First things first, and this matters, is just to dry it properly. I'm using a paper towel on the chopping board and pressing down on each piece. Remove as much moisture as you can. Moisture is the enemy of colour and texture, so don't rush this bit. Once it's dried, cut it down into bite-sized pieces. Nothing too precise, just roughly even, so they can cook at the same rate. Now for the seasoning. I mixed together 1 teaspoon each of salt, black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, smoked paprika and brown sugar. That brown sugar is doing a lot of work here. It helps with the caramelisation and gives you that beautiful colour later on. The pork goes in the bowl. I give it a light spray of avocado oil, added the seasoning mix and stirred everything together until every piece was fully coated. You can see the colour on them already. That smoked paprika gives a real great base. We don't need the cooking trays today, so out they come and into the multi-cook goes the pork belly bites. Now I'm using the sauté function here, 20 minutes, lid open. The Tefal sets its own temperature on this setting and the paddle keeps everything moving so you get even cooking without touching it. And this is what I love about this machine. You can load it and walk away. No standing over a pan, no turning things manually. The paddle does all of that for you. Oh, and the lid open for this part of the cook is to help prevent the pork from becoming mushy. Now, with just 8 minutes remaining, things are starting to look and smell absolutely gorgeous. After 20 minutes, the colour is looking great. I always like to temp test pork, as I don't like guessing whether it's fully cooked or not. The thermometer told me that the internal temperature wasn't quite where I needed it to be. That's okay, we've got a plan for that. Now this is where it gets really good. I added some Jack Daniels BBQ sauce, closed the lid, switched the multi-cook to airfry mode with the paddle on and set it to 195 degrees C for 6 minutes. Now that combination, the paddle moving the pieces through the hot air while the sauce caramelises, that's where the magic happens. 6 minutes, that's it. Now, just look at that colour. Honestly, better than I expected. The sauce has caramelised beautifully. Every piece is coated, and when you bite into one, so tender, melt in the mouth. The fat has rendered down. The outside has this gorgeous sticky glaze, and the flavour, or the smokiness from the paprika with that sweet barbecue hit, it works really well together. This was a proper result from the Tefal Multicook ActiFry and is definitely one I'll be making again. If you're enjoying what we're doing here on Grumpy Dog Kitchen, please do hit the subscribe button. I'm testing these machines properly so you know exactly what they can do before you spend your money. And there's a lot more coming. And if you want to see me put the multi-cook through its paces, check out the link which is on screen now. It's a good one.